Hi friends, my name is Bhanu. Today in this video we are going to discuss the basics of accounts. Let's see first topic, accounting. What is accounting? Accounting defines the financial information of our company. What consists the accounting? Accounting helps you how much money you are earning in our company, how much you are worth in our company, how much money you spend in our company, where you can improve to make even more money. This is general information of accounting. These four satisfies, it means that it gives the complete information, financial information of our company. Now go to the next topic. Asset. What is asset? Asset is something you own, which is owned by our company. We'll go into the more details like assets are defined as resources that help generate profit in your business. That means you have some control over it. There are three requirements has to satisfy before we call that an asset in our company. What are those three requirements? These are three requirements. It's something you have control over. You have control as a result of a past event. It has a future economic benefit. So before we calling it a asset in our company, that object has to satisfy these three requirements. Then only we call it as asset. Let's see the examples of asset. See, these are the list of assets examples. Bank is one of the asset. Building is one of the asset. Car is one of the asset. Bank account is also one of the asset. Investments are also assets. Bonds also assets. House is also assets. These are all comes under assets. Now let's see liability. What is liability? In simple words, liability means credit. This also requires three things. It presents the business with an obligation. The obligation is a result of a past event. Settling the obligation will require an outflow of valuable resources. Once satisfies these three, we can say that as a liability. Now let's see examples of liabilities. Loan is a liability. Mortgage is also a liability. Credit card is also a liability. Unpaid bills also liability. Hire purchase contracts are also liability. Taxes owed also liability. Short-term loans are also liability. Lease are also liability. So these list of objects will come under liabilities. I hope you understand what is liability. Now let's see what is owner's equity. We can define owner's equity as the amount of money that you have invested in the business. Who invested business? Who invested in the business? Normally the owner. When I say you, here it is the owner. Whenever you contribute any personal assets to your business, your owner's equity will increase. Obviously, your business investment will get increased. These contributions can be any asset, such as cash, vehicles, equipment, whatever the asset. Whatever you add to your business, whatever you invested in the business, that will become an owner's equity. The next topic is accounting equation. There are three important things to remember in accounting equation. One is the left side is referred to as the debit side. The right side is referred to as the credit side. The equation must be in balance. Both debit and credit, both equations must be in balance. So in detail, what is debit side, what is left side? Sorry, what is credit side? The debit side is the left side of the equation is known as debit side. Left side of the equation consists only assets, which are all debits. The credit side, which is in the right side, it consists of liabilities and owners' equity. What is revenue in accounting? Revenue is money in your business receives from its normal business activities. Sometimes revenue is referred to as turnover. I hope you guys are very familiar with the word turnover. One thing you have to remember, not all money you receive is revenue. Revenue is money received from the sale of goods or services. That is revenue. Once you sell any goods or services in your company, that will become a revenue. Now, expenses in accounting. Just now we have seen the revenue. Now we are seeing expenses. The basic definition of expense is money you spend to run your business. That is nothing but expenses in accounting. Whatever the money you spend to run your business, all the activities will come under expenses only. Again, here two more words which you need to know: capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Capital expenditure means purchasing something that lasts for more than 1 year. Like if you purchase a building, it will last more than a year. If you purchase a car, it also more than a year. Now coming to revenue expenditure means purchase of something that lasts for less than 1 year. Your expenses. Obviously expenses, it can be less than a year. That's all about the basics of accounting. These basics are required for to start your journey with SAP Finance. So that is why I explained all these topics high level. What is asset, what is accounting, what is liability, what is revenue, what is expenses, how the accounting entries, debit side, credit side, list of the assets, list of the liabilities, debit side, what are all will come, credit side, what are will come. I explained all these things in this video, guys. So please go through these basics of accounting if you don't have knowledge in accounting. So this knowledge is required to understand SAP Finance easily. Thank you for watching, friends. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.